different. Come sing with me. Colors, colors, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Let's make colors super sweet. This is red, bright and fun, like the shining morning sun. This is blue, calm and true, like the sky so clear and new. Wave your hands side to side, let the colors come alive. Back colors, colors everywhere. Paint the world with love to share. Clap your hands and sing along. Colors make us all so strong. This is green, fresh and bright, like the grass in morning light. This is yellow, warm and sweet, like bananas we love to eat. Jump up high, touch the ground, spin in circles round and round. Back colors, colors everywhere. Paint the world with love to share. Jump up high and dance around. Colors make a happy sound. Purple, soft and cool, like a crown for every school. This is orange, full of cheer, like the fruit we all hold dear. Clap, 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 1, 2, 3. Shout the colors loud with me. Red and blue make purple bright. Mix the colors, what a sight. Green and yellow, orange too. Colors make the world brand new. Colors, colors everywhere. World with love to share. Shout it loud, sing it strong. Colors make us all belong. Add colors, colors, red, blue, green. Brightest shades you've ever seen. Clap your hands and sing along. Colors make the